So by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding on how to make these insane motion graphic videos using Remotion, which is a newly launched AI agent skill. And I'll cover all the topics like how to install Remotion, how to make these kinds of videos, and how to just use the whole software in general so that you can make these insane motion graphic videos and possibly just edit your own videos not to pilot. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, I'll show you the output which Remotion has gave me for one of the test pilots I ran, and it's pretty damn good. So this is the first pilot.
World is Arabica coffee. And
so this one is just me talking about Arabica coffee, but the motion graphic it did is insane.
Coffee in India or in the world is Arabica coffee. And we at Cafe Coffee Day makes the best coffee using these Arabica coffee. They're sourced straight from Arabia and they have a distinct taste and rich aroma. If you want to have a sip, do visit us at Cafe Coffee Day, Mumbai, Delhi. Thank you.
So I just messed up all the locations, but this is me just trying to demonstrate how good the output is. Then this is this is a motion graphic video I've done for a to-do list app, and this is also pretty insane. This has no audio as such, but it just demonstrates the capabilities of a to-do app, which is morning workout, lunch, product campaign, gym session, etc., automated goals, smart scheduling, team collaboration, focus mode, cross-platform sync. So it's pretty damn good in and of itself. And it says download now, which is pretty damn cool. Also, I was trying some geography based videos, but yeah, again, as you guys can see, this is extremely powerful and this is extremely useful, and you can also caption and edit full length videos, which is just insane. So let's get into installing Remotion. First thing we need to do is open a new tab and search for Remotion. Let's search for Remotion and let's click on the very first link right here, which says make videos programmatically. So once you click here, it says make videos programmatically, and then you have this, we have a few options to install this. Now, Claude Code is paid. Claude Code requires you to have Claude's premium subscription. So that is why we're not using Claude Code. What we'll be doing is we'll be installing this inside Google Antigravity. That's the plan. So let's install this inside Google Antigravity. So obviously you need to install Google Antigravity beforehand. If you haven't done that, install Google Antigravity and then I'll take you from there. So the next thing you need to do is go to your desktop or somewhere where you want to make the folder, and then just simply make a folder and name it as Remotion Test, and then just position it here. I'm going to color this as green, and yeah, and then once this is done, open Google Antigravity in your computer. I already have it open. So once you open Google Antigravity, click on open folder, and let's select the newly prepared folder on the desktop. So this is Remotion Test. Click on open, and once this is done, we are pretty much there. Now the next thing we need to do is to install Remotion. For that, open up the terminal and then we'll type out this particular command. So click here, copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Click on enter, and we'll wait for the output to be installed. So you just click on yes, and then it gives you all these options. I just choose blank, honestly. And if it says add tailwind, just click on yes, and add agent skills, click on yes, and boom, that's kind of about it. It's going to install everything that's required, and then it has a lot of these options. For install to, I'll select same as last time, recommended Antigravity, or you'll have an option. You can choose Antigravity, you can choose whatever place you want to install it. You can also install it on VS Code. If you have VS Code, you can also install it on Claude Code, but for this purpose, for demonstration, we're doing it on Antigravity. So installation scope, we can also keep it global, but let's keep it so global would allow a full scale installation of Remotion so that it can be accessed from any folder anytime. But project would only install the Remotion files in this particular project folder. So installation method, just select symlink, which is recommended, and then proceed with installation, click on yes, and it's almost done. Perfect. Now, as you can see, we need to start running this. So to run this, just simply type out npm I, and it's installing a few more things. Also, while the Remotion is installing, we'll actually go in the public folder and create a new folder, which is called asset. So in this asset folder, we can add stuff. So again, just to do a quick demonstration, I'm gonna again go to downloads on the computer, and I actually have a voiceover of myself talking about Cafe Coffee Day. So this is one of that.
Do you know that the best coffee in...
Yeah, no, not this one. Let's actually go with Cafe Coffee Day. Copy this real quick. And let's go into public and let's go into assets. So then we have this voiceover here, which is Cafe Coffee Day. I'll just play this real quick.
The best coffee in India or in the world is Arabica.
Okay, so we have our asset here. Now, under the asset folder, it can have your images, it can have videos. It doesn't actually matter that much. You just have to let the agent know that, hey, there's something in this folder, use this to make the video, or use this to make whatever you're doing. As simple as that. So this is almost done. Now let's actually run the second command in the terminal, which is npm run dev. So this will run up a development server on our local host. Now I don't actually want Antigravity fiddling with this, but okay. Anyways, so this is our Remotion dashboard, and right now, as you can see, you can't do anything here. That's because you have to do nothing here. The actual game begins when you go back to the agent, and then in here, you just select Opus or Sonnet. You can select Claude models because Claude models work the best with Remotion. So I've chose Claude Sonnet 4.5 thinking. And then let's actually convert this audio file into a motion graphic video. So to do that, let's simply go to, so here is the Remotion master prompt link, which would be in the description. So you can just grab this whole master prompt, and then what you have to simply do is just do a Control-A, Control-C, and then open your preferred LLM. I'll go with Perplexity, so I'll open Perplexity in a new tab. And then in Perplexity, I'm going to paste this prompt, and I'll say, based off the above prompt, I need you to make a motion graphic video prompt for me promoting Cafe Coffee Day and talking about Arabica coffee. I'm also attaching the voiceover for better understanding. So, and then I'll also attach the voiceover, which I did from downloads. And please refer to everything and give me the output. Enter. And then this would generate the prompt for Cafe Coffee Day. And yeah, it's just gonna look insane. So once the generation is done, we can paste it here. Once the generation is done, we have to just paste it here and we would get the output. Obviously, here are a few tips which you should always follow when you're using Remotion. So in Remotion, there is a set of rules and a set of skills, which is extremely important for the AI agent to know, else the output would be very, very trash. So whenever you're writing a Remotion prompt or a video prompt, always add the following: that before writing any document, always refer skills folder and Remotion best practices for prompting and the rules folder and skill.md file in this folder, so that you have the complete understanding of how you should output the data. Also, thoroughly go through it and understand the rules which you need to follow for the bestest output. So, yep, let's see. Now, once this is done, let's actually grab the prompt which has been made here for Cafe Coffee Day. This is a long one, so they're going to take a while, but let's actually go to the very bottom, copy this, and paste it here. I'll also say the raw file is under public asset, the Cafe Coffee Day voiceover. Let's click on enter. And then this would cook the complete output, and we shall shortly see this inside our Remotion dashboard. So once, let's just say, for example, while this thing is being generated, I'm going to assume, so while this thing is being generated, while our video is being generated, I'm going to assume that our video has already been generated so that I can run you through the download functionalities. So while our video is being generated, this is the GitHub repo for skills, and you can just run through this. So they have all these rules on when to use what. And yeah, so the best part about Remotion is that it can use 3D models in your output. So this is just insane. It uses Third.js to generate 3D models. You also have display caption. So you can also caption a video. You can also frankly edit the video and say, hey, remove the cuts and ums and ahs, whatever you might want to get removed. And it's actually pretty damn good. So obviously this is a very simple use case of me showing you how to make motion graphics, but there's a ton of use case. So you can just obviously go through this just for the sake of knowing how this all works. And apart from this, AI just knows how to do its shit. So we don't need to intervene with that. So as you can see, it's implementing, it's doing the execution. So as you can see, this is a video output that we just got.
The best coffee in India, in the world, is Arabica coffee. And we at Cafe Coffee Day makes the best coffee using these Arabica coffee. They're sourced straight from Arabia and they have a distinct taste and rich aroma. If you want to have a sip, do visit us at Cafe Coffee Day, Mumbai, Delhi. Thank you. Do you know that the best coffee in...
So it's not bad. It's obviously like, it's decent. It could have been better. But yeah, then you can just simply render this and yeah, use it for your use it for any purpose that you want. But yeah, this is how you can kind of run Remotion on your laptop or on your computer. I hope this was a helpful one. If it was, do drop a like or follow, and yeah, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.